So, dear students, we had read that the Amenhotep IV, that was a king, and the time that related to him is regarded as the horrific time in the history of Egypt. This statement had been given by Ray Johnson, who was the director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Luxor. Okay, and that king, Akhenaten, went a little wacky. This statement was the last statement in our previous video. Next, after Akhenaten's death, when he died, the fourth king of Egypt in that family, a mysterious ruler named Sennacherib appeared briefly. For a short time period, a new ruler was there whose name was Sennacherib, and he was there only for a short time period. Briefly means for a short time period, and exited, and he went away from that kingdom with hardly a trace. It means nobody knows where did he go. Not even a single evidence were there about his departed from that kingdom. And then a very young Tutankhaten took the throne. Throne means that royal place was taken by a new king who was Tutankhaten. King Tut. He was King Tut as he widely known today. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun from Tutankhaten. It means the living image of Amun. What is the meaning of Tutankhamun? The living image of Amun, and oversaw. Here oversaw a restoration. He saw the repairing time period of the old days, means he started to think about the old days, old rules that were present there before his time. He reigned for almost 9 years. He just reigned means ruled there for 9 years, and then died unexpectedly. And then he passed away. That was not expected by anyone. Now, regardless of his fame and his speculations about his fate, regardless means without any care about his fame and the guesses about his luck, Tut is only mummy among many in Egypt. How many, no one knows. The Egyptian Mummy Project, which began an inventory means discovery in late 2003, has recorded almost 600 so far and is still counting. It means after Tut mummy, 600 more mummies have been found, and this process is still counting. It means it is still continue. The next phase, scanning the mummies with a portable CT scan machine. Portable means a machine that can easily move from one place to another place. That was donated by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, its manufacturer. That portable CT scan machine was donated by its manufacturer company, whose name is this. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned, in death as in life, moving regally ahead of his countrymen. Regally means happily, and like a king. That was the first mummy taken for CT scan in Egypt. Next, a CT scan machine scanned the mummy head to toe. From head to toe, it was taken for scanning, creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. Tut's head scanned in 0.62 mm slices to register its intricate structure. Intricate means complicated structure takes on airy detail. Airy means very dangerous details. It means deep details were taken in the resulting image with Tut entire body. Similarly recorded a team of specialists in radiology, forensics and anatomy began to probe. Probe means to investigate the secrets that the winged goddesses of gilded burial shrine protected for so long. It means winged. Wing means पंख, goddess means देवी. सोने से जड़ी हुई, उस सोने से जड़े हुए पंखों वाली उस देवी ने काफ़ी लंबे समय तक उसकी रक्षा की. उसके बारे में दे स्टार्टेड टू प्रोब, उन्होंने जो है जांच पड़ताल करनी स्टार्ट कर दी. I know this chapter is a little bit complicated. A very tough language has been used in this chapter. Still, I am doing my best in order to make you understandable. Still, if you have any doubt, I will send you what meaning right now after watching this video, so that you may come to know about those typical meanings which had been a part of this chapter. Next, the night of the scan. That night, a workman carried Tut from the tomb in his box. He was taken out from his tomb into a box. Like pallbearers, means the men who carry the coffin. Pallbearer means coffin carriers. They climbed a ramp. They just went towards a ramp and a flight of stairs. Then they went two stairs into the swirling sand outside, and from there they went into सैंड. स्विरलिंग मीन्स चक्कर खा जाने वाली मिट्टी थी, मतलब मिट्टी उड़ रही थी. देन रोज एंड ऑन ए हाइड्रोलिक लिफ्ट. देन दे मूव्ड ऑन ए हाइड्रोलिक प्रेशर into the trailer that had the scanner, in which scanner was there. 20 minutes later, two men emerged. Two gentlemen came out, sprinted for an office nearby. They run. Sprint means to run. They ran towards the office that was nearby and returned with a pair of white plastic fans. The $1 million scanner, so costly scanner, had quit, was not working because of sand in a cooler fan. एक फैन में मिट्टी फंस गई थी, इसलिए वो नया पंखा लेने के लिए पास में गए. कर्स ऑफ द फेरो. शायद ये फेरो का अभिशाप था. जोक्ड ए गार्ड नर्वसली. एक गार्ड ने थोड़ा परेशान होकर के इस प्रकार का मजाक किया. इवेंचुअली last the substitute's fan worked well enough to finish the procedure. Just to complete this work, substitute mean the new fan. It worked well and the work was finished. After checking that no data had been lost, the technician turned it over to the workman, they gave it to the workman and they carried him back to his tomb. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin, the pharaoh again rested in peace where the funerary priests had laid him so long ago, at the same place where he was buried after his death by the priests. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images. चौंका देने वाली इमेज उसने दिखाई of Tut on a computer screen. What was there? What special thing was there? Let's find out. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixel. एक ग्रे कलर का हेड क्रिएट हो रहा था and the technician spun. Spun means लूज करना and tilted का मतलब होता है घुमा करके देखना, झुका करके देख रहा था, लूज कर रहा था. That image in every direction. Next, neck vertebrae means गर्दन की हड्डी appeared so clearly as in an anatomy classes. उतनी स्पष्ट दिखाई दे रही थी जितनी एनाटॉमी की क्लास में दिखाई दे सकती है. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage. Rib cage का मतलब होता है पीछे की जो पसलियाँ होती है ना, उनको हम बोलते हैं. And transections of the skull. खोपड़ी के बीच का हिस्सा भी दिखाया गया. क्या देखा, दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. नेक वर्टेब्रा, ठीक है, और हाथ, रिब केज और खोपड़ी, ये सब इमेज वहाँ दिखी. बट फॉर नाउ द प्रेशर वॉज ऑफ. सिटिंग बैक इन हिज चेयर जाई आवाज स्माइल्ड, visibly relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong. Now he realized that all was okay, and I did not sleep last night for not for a second, he said. I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. वो कह रहा है जाई हवास कि मैं सोया नहीं हूँ पिछली रात से, लेकिन आज मैं सोऊंगा. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stair to the sandy ground, the wind has stopped. अब सब शांत हो चुका था. The winter air, ठंडी हवा lay cold and still like death itself in its valley of the departed. भूतों की वैली में हवा ठंडी हो चुकी थी, बिल्कुल मौत की तरह. Just above the entrance or to touch storm stood Orion, the constellations that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. चैप्टर ख़त्म हो जाता है. नथिंग स्पेशल वॉज देयर, जस्ट अ फ्यू रीजन्स हैव बीन फाउंड इन दिस चैप्टर अबाउट द डेथ रीजन ऑफ टट. थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे.